Assalamualaikum and hi guys, my name is Dini Nur Safwah binti Muhammad Amai Kuain. I'm from 3GA. As assigned by my English teacher, we need to make a cooking video. So today, I'm going to make an easy and delicious cake which is KEK BATIK. So let's get started. The ingredients that we need are Mary biscuits, cocoa powder, Milo, margarine, and sugar. First of all, we need to crack the biscuits into the small pieces like this. Next, we have to add 1 cup of margarine into the pan. After that, we have to add 1 cup of sugar into the pan. Next, we need to pour 2 cups of Milo. Then, we need to add 1 tablespoon of cocoa powder. After add all the ingredients together into the pan, we have to pour 2 cups of water. Then, next, we have to stir all the ingredients together until it becomes smooth and thick. After it boils, we have to add the biscuits that we cracked earlier. Stir it until it becomes well combined. We have to smash it so that it is dense. Lastly, put it in a container and chill it overnight. Finally, our KEK BATIK is done. Thank you for watching this video and don't forget to try it at home. Goodbye!